So yeah, I believe it is recording now anyway, so that's good, right? Let me lower the drone a little bit, and you can see. Take you for a spin round. Walk with me. Well, sit there and get a panned view, I guess. So yeah, this is me out in the countryside, and it's Mr. B. Hello. And I just thought I'd do a quick video to let you know that I'm alive, and I want to get the channel going again. Now my state of mind's in a much better place, and the thing is, I don't want this channel to be about. I don't want this channel to be me talking about my personal stuff, you know. So this is going to be probably the only personal stuff video you'll see on this channel. But I thought that I had to somehow let you know that I was still alive. Yes, I still do have the Hayabusa. Yes, I still ride it, and yes, I will do more videos on it. But the first thing I wanted to let you know is that I'm alive. I want to get the channels going again. I want to do bike reviews again, DIY, and all the usual stuff. But on top of that, curveball, I've changed my job. I've had a really bumpy ride that I'll talk about separately. I'm not going to do it here, but life has given me a real bumpy ride in all areas. But I'm now, just actually today, so this is why I'm doing this video, just secured a full-time job, truck driving. So I thought, truck driving, so I could get a camera, once I can afford one. Sorry if you can hear the noise of the drone. And yeah, I could do like my thoughts, some more of my brain dumping, but in a truck. And also I could record all the usual crazy shit that goes on when you're driving a truck. The craziest places you have to drive the truck. I have to drive to some crazy places that you wouldn't think about taking a car, let alone a 28-ton lorry. So, you know, so yeah, I thought that would be good. So anyway, I'm making this short. I'm alive. Hi, it's Mr. B. I'm bringing back the bike channel. I need to save up some money, and I want to talk about money in a different video, maybe on the truck video, if I get that going, on a video. I want to keep all this personal stuff separate from the bike channel if I can. But basically, yeah. So here I am. I'm looking at starting a truck channel so that when I'm working, I can still put videos out and talk to you and answer questions. Some of those might be related to bikes. Some of those might be related to trucking. And yeah, we could talk about that too. And also show you all the crazy shit that happens out on the road. The UK's gone mental in terms of driver ability on the road, which also links into riding safe, right? And riding invisible. In fact, I won't even talk about it on this video, but I saw another vlogger recently post a video about an accident they had, and they were not clearly riding invisible. But anyway, we'll talk about that in a different video, because I want everyone to stay safe out there. Anyway, hi, it's Mr. B. I'm alive. The beast is alive. We're all here. I'm going to be doing some truck videos, probably on a different channel. Just need to get that set up. But we are now definitely back, because my mind's in the right place, finally. So yeah, hi everyone. Thank you for sticking around, and hope you enjoy the content coming up. And thanks for all of your support throughout the over 10 years, I think it is. And I still get subscribers now, and I've not even put a video up for, what, it feels like 6 years. So that's crazy, and hopefully my DIY stuff has helped. But I want to do some more now. It's been far too long, right? And I miss you guys. And I still get comments, and I try and uplike them now and then on the videos, you know. Just try and maybe let people realise that, yeah, I'm still alive, or is it some mystery person liking your comments? Well, this drone's still got 6 minutes of power, but I'm not going to go on for much longer. In fact, I think I'll leave it there. Any thoughts or comments on the truck channel? Any questions you might have? Whack 'em down below. Wow, when was the last time I said that? And yeah, I'll either pick up those questions in text and I'll select some to answer in the next video. And I'll shout your name out as well, because why not? But I hope everyone's still doing well. All the other vlogging buddies out there. Maybe we need to go have another ride out to Willingham Woods, eh? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Hello, I love you all, guys. And don't forget, ride safe, ride invisible. Goodbye. And that is that.